How to clear cache memory of USB settings on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey everyone, if you're facing minor issues or any inconvenience with your USB on your Samsung device, follow these simple steps to clear cache memory. First thing you have to do is open up your settings and then just scroll down a bit until you find your app settings. Just tap on it. So what normally happens is if you scroll through these apps, you'll only find the apps that you've installed on your device and you won't be able to see your default system apps. To do that, you just have to tap on the sorting icon right here on the apps and then turn on the option show system apps. And once you've turned it on, tap on OK. And now at the search bar, you're just going to have to search for USB settings and then just click on it. Now, clearing cache can be a good way to avoid potential errors and resolve minor inconveniences. So head over to the storage right here and then click on clear cache. Now your USB settings cache will be cleared, and if you were facing any problems, now it could resolve it potentially. So that's how you can clear cache memory of USB settings on a Samsung device. If this was helpful to you, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.